Hello guys, welcome to Street Tech, and today we are going to talk about the Nokia 7 Plus and the Samsung S8 Plus. So basically, Nokia 7 Plus is the new model and it came out recently, and it has a really good price for around £350 if you are buying it in the UK. And we're just gonna check it out. If any of you is wondering how powerful that Nokia 7 Plus, we are going to check it out with one of the Samsung mobile phone, which is the S8 Plus. Today we are going to do the Antutu benchmark of them and see if how powerful this Nokia 7 Plus. To start, of course, I need to tell you and how much powerful, what's in it, or how many memory and RAM does it have. So to start, basically you can buy two of the Nokia 7 Plus for the price of this Samsung S8 Plus. And then we will see if that's, £350 or £349 is really worth the money, or it's just a waste of money. So the Samsung S8 Plus at the moment still around £600 to £700 in the UK, so if you are buying one. And yeah, as I said, this is a lot cheaper. You can buy two of this. Okay, anyway, we have the Nokia 7 Plus here, which is a 64GB of internal memory with 4GB of RAM model option. And we have the Samsung S8 Plus, and that's going to be the 64GB with a 4GB of RAM as well. So both of them are actually the same in terms of internal and the random access memory. But the processor itself, we can check out here that the Nokia 7 Plus comes with Qualcomm, that is a Snapdragon 660, and Snapdragon tend to be powerful in terms of gaming. And the Samsung S8 Plus is actually the Exynos model here, which is Exynos 8895. In terms of the gigahertz, the Nokia 7 Plus, it has 2.2 gigahertz in addition with the 1.8 gigahertz, so 2.2 and 1.8 gigahertz. They are octa-core anyway. And the Samsung S8 Plus, it has 2.3 gigahertz with 1.7 gigahertz. So it's kind of balanced at the moment. Sounds really balanced, but we're gonna check it out which one is a lot powerful. But the graphics card, they both have, what we call Adreno, ADRENO. That is 512 on here and 540 for this Samsung S8 Plus. So yeah, it's a little bit powerful. It's a little bit high number, but we're gonna check out how powerful the Nokia 7 Plus here. Okay, yeah, so without further ado, these are all the application installed on the Nokia 7 Plus, and these are all the application installed on the Samsung S8 Plus. It looks a lot on the Samsung S8 Plus because it has all the Samsung application and stuff like that, but with the Nokia, it has one Android. It has like limited pre-installed application, and then you can just put whatever you want to put. Basically, it has the Samsung apps on the S8 Plus and the Android apps. Here you only have the Android apps. Okay, so we're gonna check it out now. Of course, we're gonna do the Antutu benchmark as well. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so without further ado, we're just gonna make sure everything is closed in the background. If I'll close them all, so yeah, so all closed. And if we go on the settings, we're gonna make sure what's the operating system that these two are running. So both is actually 8.0 at the moment. Let's talk about, yeah, software information. Okay, so Android version 8.0 with the S8 Plus, and also you have 8.0.0 with one Android Nokia 7 Plus. Okay, so let's close it again. Okay, so we're gonna do Antutu benchmark now in. Okay, so we're gonna do it now in 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, 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 hello. Let's see if it will still ask us to allow us. Okay, so here you have the model number, which is the SMG955F and the Nokia 7 Plus. Okay, so we're gonna do it now in 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know what's going on, but okay. You can check it out. So in terms of the graphics, I can see here that the Nokia 7 Plus is a little bit struggling than the Samsung S8 Plus. Okay, so you can see that. Yeah, it's struggling a little bit. It's not really soft and smooth. It's just a bit sticky. Okay, so we're gonna check it out, and I'll get back to you. I'm just gonna wait for that to finish. Okay, so screen to screen. So pretty. Okay, so see you in a bit. Okay, so that's going to be the result of our test today, and as you can see, yeah, well, 203,971 score for the Samsung S8 Plus, and the Nokia 7 Plus, it has 139,899. So I would say it's not too bad for that price, for the £349. So as you can see there, CPU isn't too far from Samsung, but the graphics is a little bit, you know, it's more than 50%. It's kind of annoying. And the user's experience, that actually helped with the Android one, but still the Samsung won on that. Same thing with the memory, like that. Okay, so yeah, this is just something to do with the test. If you are wondering how powerful the Nokia 7 Plus, that's gonna be the result of that. So literally, if you are, I would say, playing games and everything like that, I would say it will survive. It's not going to be the best one to play games with, but you know, it can play games without any problem with that 13,000 or 100 something thousand, yeah, 139,000, you know, score. There are a lot of mid-range mobile phone lower than that, but this is quite impressive. Okay, so that's just gonna be the test of our two mobile phones. We have the Samsung S8 Plus and the Nokia 7 Plus, and that's the result of the Nokia 7 Plus Antutu benchmark. Okay, so anyway, if you have any question, just give me a shout. Don't forget to put that in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer that for you. And if you are new to my channel, just click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'm gonna say goodbye for now. See you again.